How do I fix the half LED lights not working? Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem of yours. For that you must need to follow some steps. So when your half LED strip lights are not working, the issue could be due to a variety of reasons such as faulty connection, power supply issues and a damaged LEDs as well. Here are some step-by-step guide for your troubleshoot problems. Firstly, check your power supply. Ensure that the power supply is properly connected and providing the adequate power to the LED strip. If that is not the problem, then you should also inspect the connections. Examine the connections along the LED strip, including any connectors, solder joints, and the plugs. Also, test the LED strip. If possible, then test the LED strip with a different power supply to rule the out power issues. Also, check your visible damage. Inspect the LED strip for any visible signs of damage like burnt areas, broken components, or damaged wiring. Look for any signs of water damage or physical impact that help and affected LEDs as well. Replace the faulty sections and you can check the voltage drop as well. Reconnect the LED strip and check the controller. If none of this works, then you should also consult the manufacturer's guide and replace the entire LED strip. So, by following steps, you can systematically troubleshoot and fix the issue with half of your LED strips light not working. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.